non aver paura, puoi essere coraggioso, puoi essere vegano da adesso. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Hello everybody! Welcome to our hotel room here on the island of Sicily in the country of Italy, where we are visiting. Now, we are ethical vegans, so we want to make sure that we eat healthy because we've been eating junk food. Like, everybody seems to eat so many croissants here and so many cookies, so many bread type things, and it seems like people really don't eat vegetables very much, which is strange because when you look at the landscape, there's often these big fields where they are growing crops, but I guess they ship them out to other countries, or I don't know when they eat them, but pretty much everywhere we go, all the stores seem to sell cookies and these biscuit type things. Anyway, we want to eat healthy because we've been not eating healthy for the last little while, although we're staying vegan and we're still having fruit every day. Anyway, today what we did is we went to a grocery store and we just bought, it was a little grocery store, so we bought this big bag of spinach and we bought some frozen peas, and they were thawing in the sink by us pouring some hot water on them, because in this room we don't actually even have a microwave, nothing, so we have to get pretty creative. We also bought some sun-dried tomatoes, which already have some oil in them, and some different spices, as well as some mushrooms with different spices. So we're going to be mixing stuff together. We also have this thing. This is something my husband picked out, and he said it looks good. It's different mushrooms and different other vegan foods. So we're going to be opening this up and pouring it on. It looks like it has, I think it's eggplant. Anyway, it's vegan. So let me turn the camera around and show you what we're doing. So we have two sort of containers here. One's going to be for my husband and one for me. So I'm going to add some spinach here on the side for both of us. And we're also going to add a little bit of each of these. Sun-dried tomatoes with a little bit of oil on top. I added our mostly thawed peas and some mushrooms to each of our dishes. And I added our eggplant mixture here, which I just tasted the sauce of, and it is delicious. You can see there's a little bit of red pepper there as well. So that is how you stay vegan when you are traveling around and you have no microwave and no stove. And for dessert, we're going to be having some bananas and some dates. So we're having a lot of whole foods, not entirely whole foods, but all vegan. Go veg yourself, go veg yourself, stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself, stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Thanks a lot for being here. And if you like this type of thing, subscribe, press the notification bell. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.